Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Viewers, I hereby share a very beautiful diet plan. As commonly advised plans are not easy. Usually it happens that we may not keep it continue because in that whatever diet or juices are suggested are difficult to comply with. As we are common people, not TV actors, to whom it is available ready-made. That's why I suggest you very easy and domestic diet plan which can help you and you can keep it continue easily. Viewers, let's start. We keep continue our diet, that is routine, but the hair's pattern is different. Whenever you are taking 2 tortilla, just take it one. If you are taking 1 tortilla, you take it half. And viewers, you must take salad with your diet. It will keep you satiety and make your skin very glowy. Usually it is also I just suggested that don't take rices. They will make you very obese. But I will take you that you can take rices, but the pattern is different. You must boil them and then take these boiled rices, but it should not be more than 1 bowl. It is also suggested by doctors that you must take some multivitamins or mineral pills, but it is also suggested that I really rectified this, that you can take these vitamins through diet. If you feel hungry and after your breakfast at about 11 am, you may take 1 cup of milk without cream or some fruit. And I hereby also clear you that you take a full fruit, not its juice, because juices contain more sugar. And after lunch, if you feel hungry, and you can take 1 cup of yogurt or 1 boiled egg without its yolk. And viewers, you must finish your dinner within 7 to 8 p.m. Because after taking this, you will feel very heavy on your abdomen. Also, I advise you don't take baked or fried foods, and you get your walk at least 30 minutes in the morning. And if you cannot continue it by 30 minutes, you can take at least 20 minutes also, but it should be the brisk walk, means at 120 steps in 1 minute. And after dinner, you can simply walk for 10 minutes. And you must take water 2 liters per day. It will keep your skin glowy, your kidneys wash, and waste material can easily be discharged from your body, and your blood pressure also maintains through this and taking much water. Viewers, so many people get benefited from this diet plan, so you can also keep it continue, and you will also get benefit. And till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.